Hi guys, what's up? My name is Sean Wayne and today alikat pag-usapan nga natin itong nakita kong isang document na ipinost po sa TikTok. No? So ayon dito, it was actually dated March 19, 2024. I don't know if you can see it guys. Palaki natin. But very interesting itong document na to. Okay? Very interesting. So this was actually addressed to the Honorable Janet L. Garin, House Deputy Majority Leader, SWA-JO8, Batasan Pambansa, Quezon City. So this is a letter coming from Attorney Glenn Chong. And the letter says, "Greetings. Please find the attached sworn statement which I executed on 11 September 2023 to a party explain the alleged reprehensible remarks I made at Liwasang Bonifacio against Attorney Liza Araneta Marcos, the wife of the proclaimed winner in the presidential elections held on the 9th of May 2022. Ayon dito, the moral and legal issues underlying my righteous indignation is a clear public issue which the House of Representatives is duty bound to act upon. Hence, I am requesting your office to initiate a public congressional inquiry in aid of legislation and or for the purpose of filing an impeachment complaint against the husband of Attorney Marcos if so warranted. And you may send your communication relative to this matter by electronic mail chong.glenn@gmail.com." Okay, so nakasisi rito si Pimentel, si Barbers, at saka si Goles Jr. Kung maalala nyo nga guys, no? 2 weeks ago, nagsalita rito si Attorney Glenn Chong. Okay? So, pinaparatangan niya, okay, he's accusing First Lady Liza Marcos na nakipag sabihin na lang natin nagkaroon ng connivance between FL Liza at ang Smartmatic daw na meron daw pandarayang naganap. Okay? Meron pandarayang naganap. Ngayon, ito ang tanong natin. Una, what's in it for Glenn Chong na ginagawa niya to? Sa tingin niya. What's in it for Glenn Chong? Kasi pwede itanong sa kanya, oh, alam mo na pala to. Alam mo palang nangyayari to, ba't ngayon ka lang nagsalita? Okay. The way I see it naman, ito si Atty. Glenn Chong, mukha namang walang kinakatakutan tao. Obviously. There was even one, I think, I was having a conversation with a friend at ang pinag-uusapan namin, bakit daw dito hindi nila in-emphasize, okay, ito yung dating, hindi nila in-emphasize yung allegation ni Glenn Chong tungkol sa Smartmatic. Ang in-emphasize daw ng mga kongresista is yung tungkol doon sa usapin ng pagsampal. Nasasampalin daw ni Atty. Glenn Chong si F. Elisa. Another question. Sa tingin nyo, ngayon na since naging presidente si PBBM, sa tingin nyo, papansinin ng Kongreso ang pagpapa-impeach kay PBBM? I doubt it. I'm 100% sure. Patatagalin lang yan hanggang matapos ang termino ni hanggang matapos ang termino ni PBBM. Diba? Sobrang nahiwagaan lang ako na parang, okay, may alam ka na pala eh. Ikaw yung number 1 na kaaway ng Smartmatic eh, sa mga mga nilabas mong expose tungkol sa kanila eh. And here you are, you're saying that if Elisa, okay, contracted Smartmatic para magkaroon ng boost ang win ni PBBM. As you claim, kahit wala naman ng Smartmatic, 24 million na sinasabi ni Attorney Glenn Chong dito. Approximately, no? 24 million. Eh si Mama Lenny na sumunod sa kanya, 15 million lang. Panalo ka pa rin. Diba? Panalo pa rin si PBBM. Pero para masigurado na hindi nga siya matatalo, eh, i-maximum natin ng 30,000. Ay, 30 million. I think it was with the, I think it was with the Mantem yung pinag-uusapan namin to. Shoutout sa'yo, Dr. Ira, pagaling ka po. Parang kay Mantem yung nahihilawan siya. No? Parang ampaw, parang something to that effect. Siguro isa ito sa pag-uusapan natin sa Friday, ay sa Sunday, no? Yung tungkol dito sa sinasabi ni Attorney Glenn Chong na nagre-request na siya since March 19. Okay? He is requesting to initiate public congressional inquiry in aid of legislation. Basta yun, para sa akin questionable. Okay, alam mo na pala nakikipag-transact si F. Elisa sa tawag dito sa Smartmatic. Ba't hindi ka pa umalma ng panahon na yun? Kasi napangakuan ka ng pwesto. 'Di ba? Yun ba yun? Kasi if you really have the intention to continue your fight against Smartmatic, nung nakita mo si F. Elisa is making a contract or a deal with Smartmatic, sana hindi nawala sa'yo, Attorney Glenn, yung goal mo. Hindi lang mapatanggal ang Smartmatic, pero na magkaroon ng malinis na eleksyon. 'Di ba? Para sa akin, the way I see it, itong letter na to, okay, I really don't think na magpo-proceed to. Hindi magpo-prosper to. Trust me. Hindi to magpo-prosper. Kayo ba, nas tingin nyo, magpo-prosper ba yung request ni Atty. Glenn Chong for impeachment kay PBBM? Doon lang tayo sa doon lang tayo sa tama at tunay. At i-assume ko na rin na galing talaga to kay Atty. Glenn Chong. Yan, page 1 of 15 eh.